guys, it's Ronnie from Asiatic Wears, and I am back today with another video. When you see this envelope in your mailbox, you know it's that time of the month. It's that time of the month, not that time of the month. It's that time of the month when we receive the Bargain Bead Box monthly subscription. If you're unaware, the Bargain Bead Box monthly subscription is $17.95 per month, free shipping, and every month there's a central theme, and you get to create all the beautiful, beautiful things with what they send us. I'm going to get this open and then we'll see what we have in store. As usual, it's in a beautiful organza bag. We have our shipment identification key. This month's retail value is $62, and Merry and Bright. December's collection features festive holiday accents coupled with timeless turquoise to move easily into the new year. Xinjiang turquoise, I guess that's how you pronounce it. Components include 5 teardrop focals and a 7-inch strand of faceted rondelles. This variety of turquoise has a low copper content, so it is stabilized with color permanently added to create these vibrant beads. Other collection highlights include agate pebbles, glass accents, and a pewter focal, perfect for creating either a statement necklace or a handmade ornament. We have our coupon code, and of course there is the contest on their Facebook page. So let's get going and see what we have this month. Number 1, we have a 16-inch strand of 8mm man-made turquoise round beads. And I believe man-made turquoise is howlite that is permanently dyed to give you this turquoise color that we all know and love. So there's that. Number 2. 7.5-inch strand, 6x4mm Xinjiang turquoise faceted rondelle beads. Now you see this turquoise is a completely different shade than this one. This is more of a blue turquoise, while this one is more on the green side. And there's that. And it is faceted. There you go. So that's interesting to have 2 different colors of turquoise. Number 3, we have 40 pieces of 7mm lacy bead caps. These are lead and nickel free. And these are in an antique bronze finish. And that's how those are looking. And it's a cloudy day today, so hopefully I have enough light that you can see everything. But those are cute, and they're lacy. Number 4, 3 sets of, if I could get this open, 3 sets of 20x22mm swirl patterned toggle clasps. My favorite things, toggle clasp. Nice swirl pattern. Always nice to have a set of these with different patterns and sizes. Number 5, we have 20 pieces of 7x5mm fancy bicone spacer beads. And I think I ordered some of these myself last month, I think. Who knows? But I think these are the ones I ordered. Either way, there you go. Hopefully this is bright enough that you can see. Number 6 is the 61x58mm round poinsettia focal or ornament chandelier. And there you go. And focus. Thank you. So there's the poinsettia right in the center. It is not double-sided. but that would make an awesome focal. Yeah, very nice. Number 7, 7 pieces of a 19.5 by 15 millimeter snowflake charms. So there are those right there. Can you see that? I really hope my light is cooperating. Nothing spectacular other than the fact that they're snowflakes and they are antique bronze and not silver, which is what I've seen mostly. Number 8, we have 2 pieces of a 29 by 25 millimeter filigree wreath pendants there too. So these are very lightweight and thinner than I thought they would be, but those are very nice and they do look like a wreath. And you can see the flowers in there. So that's pretty cool. These would make nice earrings. Add some beads and there you have it. Number 9, we have a 6 piece of 22.5 by 16 millimeter snowflake round links. And so how those look. You have the front side and then there's the back side. Pretty cool. And there's the snowflake design on there. Number 10, we have a 7.5 inch strand of 6 by 4 millimeter glass top drilled rondelle beads in a holly berry red. They look like little berries. They really do look like berries on the bush outside of my house. That's pretty cool. Nice color to go with that antique bronze. Number 11, 5 piece, approximately 31 by 10 millimeter Sinkiang turquoise. And I really do hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is very nice. This is more of a natural turquoise. This is reminding me of what's known as African turquoise. So I'm not sure if it's the same thing, but it looks like it. And I'm kind of mad that I only have 5 of these, but I will make do. But this is cool to have. And these are the teardrop pendants. Let's see if you can get your close up. Number 12. Brightness, 15 inches, strand of 6 millimeter frosted glass round beads in electric coral. And boy, oh boy, I don't think actual coral is this bright. I don't think the camera is doing it much justice. I know my lighting is not helping at all, but my word, this is some bright stuff. This is like neon orange. I don't know what could possibly be done with this. Certainly with this antique bronze, but there it is. Electric coral. I really don't know. I have no words. I don't even know what to say on that one. Moving on. Number 13, we have 4 pieces of a 13 millimeter cut glass. And as soon as I can get the bag open, I'll show you. Crystal star beads in a metallic green iris. And that's just a few of them there. You can see that metallic shine and shimmer on there. Now that light, how it's picking up that light, the little bit I have. There you go. And we have 4 of those. And there is the hole there. Okay. You see the hole there? So the hole is running the top to bottom through there. That one has a little chip on it, but there is the hole. And on the other side. Number 14, we have 7.5-inch strand, approximately 6 through 12 millimeter, tumbled agate pebble beads in evergreen. So that goes beautifully with the antique bronze. Gotta love agate with the variations of colors throughout the strand. You go from light to dark and in between. There's a close-up. Very nice strand. Cool shapes too. Number 15, we have 2 pieces of 24 millimeter lamp work glass Christmas tree beads. And there is a close-up for you. Of the Christmas tree beads. Don't know if there's your hole. You can see right through there. There's your hole. These are reminding me, these make me think that you could wear something like if you made these into some earrings or something, you can put them with the ugly sweater parties that people like to throw this time of the year. Not that they're ugly, I'm just saying. It just reminds me of that. Like I could see someone wearing that with the ugly sweater or using it on the ugly sweater festivities. I'm just saying. Anyway, number 16, 1 meter, 5 millimeter oval steel jewelry chain. Again, in the antique bronze. So I love getting chain from them. It's always been great quality. I haven't had any problems with their chain. And this is good sturdy chain. And lastly, number 17, we have 8 inches of Chinese crystal 8 by 6 millimeter rondelle beads in a matte lime shimmer. Another color that I'm not sure where it fits in. I don't know where the coral and now this. I really don't know. But that is part of the beauty of receiving this box. You will always be challenged some kind of way to figure out what to do with the components you're given. And this has, is that like a slight AB? Yeah, I think that's an AB finish there. So, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, it goes nicely with the antique coral, antique bronze, I guess, but I don't know. We'll see. So here's a final look at what we received in the December bargain bead box subscription box. It's going to be a challenge. There is some very different colors here that I haven't worked with, that I'm not quite sure how I'm going to put them together, but that is the challenge of this box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do me a favor and please subscribe and let me know you were here. Leave a comment down in the comment box, and I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.